Good morning, students. Exercise 4.1 is going on, that is related to simple interest. We have done part A. So today we are going to start part B. So our first question is, on the deposit of rupees 20,000, Roshan received rupees 20,800 at the end of 1 year. What interest does he get after 1 year? What interest will he get after 5 years for the same deposit? So what is given here in this statement? रोशन ने 20,000 रुपीज बैंक में डिपॉजिट करवाए और एट द एंड ऑफ 1 year he got 20,800 रुपीज. सो एक साल के बाद उसे जो मनी मिली दैट वाज 20,800. तो उसे कितना इंटरेस्ट मिला एक साल के बाद और 5 years के बाद कितना मिलेगा? सो लेट्स सॉल्व इट. ओके, so first of all we will write what is given here. So principal is given here, deposit money, it means that is principal. We can denote principal by capital P, rupees 20,000. Okay, so principal is 20,000. Received money, total amount at the end of 1 year. ठीक है, एक साल के बाद उसे जो अमाउंट मिली means here is amount given. Amount we can denote it by capital A is equal to rupees 20,800. Okay, so we have to calculate, we have to find out interest at the end of 1 year. ओके, आफ्टर 1 year उसे कितना इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा हमने वो फाइंड आउट करना है. वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट इंटरेस्ट. सो वी नो द फॉर्मूला टू फाइंड आउट इंटरेस्ट. यस, वेरी गुड. सो इंटरेस्ट, we can find out interest by using the formula amount minus principal. Okay, so put down the values now. Amount is given by rupees 20,800 minus principal, that is rupees 20,000. Okay, so subtract it. 20,800 minus 20,000. Yes, 800. So we found interest that is equal to rupees 800. So next is what interest. ये तो हमने जो इंटरेस्ट फाइंड आउट किया आफ्टर 1 year, एक साल के बाद कितना इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा उसे. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट इंटरेस्ट आफ्टर 5 years फॉर द सेम डिपॉजिट. अगर सेम मनी हम लेके चलते हैं, ओके, 5 years के बाद उसे कितना इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा. ओके, जब हमने एक साल के लिए 1 year के लिए इंटरेस्ट, दिस इज फॉर 1 year, एक साल के लिए उसे इतना इंटरेस्ट मिल रहा है. ठीक है, अब हमने करना है फॉर 5 years. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस इंटरेस्ट. ओके, rupees 800 into 5. Okay, we will multiply this interest by 5. Okay, 5 के साथ इसको multiply कर देंगे. So we'll get our answer. Okay, that is equal to 4,000. Okay, so this is the interest for 5 years. Okay, got it. So now we will continue next question. That is, so our next question is Malini borrowed a sum of rupees 50,000 at the rate of 12% per annum for 3 years. Okay, मालिनी ने बोरो किए, उधार लिए, कितनी अमाउंट, कितना सम ऑफ रुपीज 50,000. ओके, एट द रेट ऑफ कितने परसेंटेज, मतलब रेट के साथ. ओके, पर एनम, हर मतलब पर ईयर ले रही है. ठीक है, पर ईयर उसे 12% वो रेट पड़ रहा है. ठीक है, प्रिंसिपल इज गिवन हियर. वी विल राइट डाउन दिस इज प्रिंसिपल. Okay, so P is given here. 50% rate that we can denote by R, capital R, that is 12% पर ईयर. एक साल का 12% लग रहा है तो उसने 3 years के लिए लेना है. ओके, so time is given here, that is 3 years. Okay, from a private finance company, how much money will she pay after 3 years? तो हमने फाइंड आउट क्या करना है, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट अमाउंट, टोटल अमाउंट, यानी कि आफ्टर 3 years वो कितनी अमाउंट वापस करेगी, रिटर्न करेगी. ओके, तो डिपॉजिट करवाई, सॉरी, हियर इज 50,000 नॉट 5,000. We have to, first of all, we will calculate, we will find out simple interest by using the formula P into R into T divided by 100. Now we will put down the values. Yes, P is given here 50,000, R that is 12, T that is 3 divided by 100. Okay, yes, we can cancel out 2 zeros with 2 zeros. So what is left here? 500 into 12 into 3. ओके, तो इन दोनों को आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 12 5 60, 2 zeros, वेरी गुड, into 3, 6 3 18, 3 zeros, 18,000. SI हमने कैलकुलेट कर लिया, दैट इज 18,000. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट अमाउंट कैलकुलेट करना है. So what is the formula to find out amount? Principal plus interest. Okay, so principal कितना है यहाँ पे, ₹50,000. इंटरेस्ट हमने कैलकुलेट किया, दैट इज 18,000. so टोटल कितना बना, 68,000. so this is the amount. Okay, so next, now we will proceed on next question. Our next question is, who gets more interest? किससे ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट मिल रहा है? लता, who invest ₹800. एक का नेम क्या है, लता. ठीक है, पहले हम लता के लिए कैलकुलेट करेंगे. एंड सेकंड इज, दैट इज फॉर माला. यू कैन ऑल्सो डू 1 by 1. पहले आप लता के लिए फाइंड आउट करोगे, देन फॉर माला. मैं ऐसे करवा रही हूँ ताकि आपको समझने में ईजी हो. ओके, सो लता के लिए, लता हु इन्वेस्ट ₹800, इट मीन्स प्रिंसिपल कितना है लता का, दैट इज 800 मनी वो डिपॉजिट करवा रही फॉर 2 years एट rate. How much rate is given here? 8 and 1/4. Okay, percent. Time is given here 2 years. Interest we have to calculate, we have to find out. Okay, माला के लिए लिखते हैं, माला हु इन्वेस्ट यानी कि वो डिपॉजिट करवा रही है. प्रिंसिपल इज गिवन हेयर 6,600. रेट दैट इज 7.5. टाइम 3 years के लिए. ओके, लता इज depositing money for 2 years and Mala is depositing money for 3 years. Okay, we have to find out interest on both sides and who is getting more interest and by how much. Okay, Anji, yes, very good. So we will find out interest here by using the formula P into R into T divided by 100. On both sides we will do. Now we will put down the values. P 800, R. Here R is given here in the mixed fraction. So firstly we will convert it in an improper fraction. So 4 8s, yeah, 8 4s, that is 30, 32 plus 1, 33 by 4. And here is 7 and half, 7 2s, 14 plus 1, 15 by 2. Now we will put down the values. R is given here 33. Numerator we will take here into time 2. Denominator is here into 100. 600 into 15 into 3 divided by 2 into 100. Okay, 2 zeros cancel out with 2 zeros. Here is 4 and here is 8. So we can cancel out. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Okay, so now 2 into 33 into 2. Here is 2 zeros cancel out with 2 zeros again. Here is 2 and here is 6. So 2 threes are 6. 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. So what is left here? 3 into 15 into 3. Yes. So 33 twos are 66 into 2. Okay. 3 threes are 9 into 15. 66 into 2. 132. So we have found interest here, that is rupees 132, and here 15 nines are very good, 135. Okay, so now we can see here who is getting more interest. Obviously Mala. Yes, we can write Mala is getting more interest. Okay, and by how much, कितना इंटरेस्ट वो ज़्यादा ले रही है, we will subtract 132 from 135. Okay, so rupees 3. So rupees 3 उसे ज़्यादा मिल रहे हैं इंटरेस्ट की फॉर्म में, किसको, माला को. So now we will do last question. So here is the statement. Find the simple interest and amount on 75,000 for 4 years at the end of 6 and 1/4. We can also see quarter. Okay, 6 and 1/4 per annum. Okay, so we will do now. So find the simple interest and amount. It means we have to find out simple interest and amount. Okay, simple interest find out करना है and amount. So what is given here? 75,000. So this is the principal, rupees 75,000. Okay, rate is given here, time is given here. Okay, so now we will solve it. First of all, we will calculate, we will find out SI. That means simple interest by using the formula P into R into T by 100. Now we will put down the values. 75,000 into, here we will convert it into an improper fraction. So 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25 by 4. So we will put here into 4 into 100. Yes, now we will cancel out. Okay, so here is 750 and here is 425. 4, we can cancel out 4 with each other. 4 ones are 4. Okay, so what is left here? 750 into 25. Now we will multiply this. So 750, 25. Okay, 25 fives are 125. 25 sevens are 175. 175 plus 12, that is 187, पीछे लगेगी 0. Okay, so rupees 18,750. so ऐसा ही हमें मिल गया. Okay, एक और चीज़ हमने फाइंड आउट करनी है, दैट इज अमाउंट. so how can we find out amount? Yes, very good, by using formula principal plus interest. So principal is given here 75,000 plus interest 18,750. Now we will add, here is 0, 5, 7, 8 plus 5, 13, 9. Okay, so we found simple interest and amount. Okay, so you will note down these questions on your peer notebooks, and you will also try question number 2 and question number 4. Okay, so thank you.